Hey sixth graders, welcome to the virtual lab. You will see in your virtual lab folder, so the mass volume virtual lab folder, that you have two items in here and you are going to want to open up both of them and split your screen so that you can do them, that you can be on both pages at once. If you do not want to split your screen and you want to just switch between tabs, that is completely up to you. Here I have my screen split, so I have my lab on my left side and I have my lab recording sheet on my right side. So what I am going to do is, it says on the directions right here, the first thing I need to do is click turn fluid to water. So I'm going to come back to my lab page and I'm going to press that button that says turn fluid into water. And then you'll see here that it will say fluid density 1 gram per milliliter, and that is how I know that this is now water. Okay, then I'm going to come back to my directions page and it says find the mass of each object by dragging the object to the electronic balance. So I'm going to start with my first object, which is gold, and I'm going to click on it and then it's going to drop in the water. I'm going to click on it and drag it to my electronic balance so that I can find the mass of the object. The mass is 40.53 grams, so you see that I recorded that information right here. Then it says use the formula for volume of irregular objects to find the volume of each object. Okay, remember that the water level, if you notice here, the water level starts at 25.5 milliliters. That's how much water is in there when there is no objects. So that is what you're going to use as your starting volume level. Okay, so you're going to put this object in the water, and then you're going to record what it is, you're going to look at what it is after you put the object in the water. Then you're going to use that formula for volume of an irregular object to figure out what the volume of this piece of gold is. Okay, so I did that over here and I got 2.1 centimeters cubed for my volume. You are going to continue to do that with each of the items on this page. So the lead, the foam, the ice, the iron, the wood, the rubber, and the mystery object. Same thing you are going to do with each of them. Now, one thing to note is that some of your objects are less dense than water, so they will float. So in order to figure out what the volume is, you're going to have to grab it and you're going to have to hold it under the water so that you can read the correct water displacement in the water. If you have any questions or you're not sure what to do, you can send a message to your teacher or come back to the Google Meet and we will help you as soon as we can. All right, have a fabulous learning lesson. Talk to you later. Bye.